My name is Austin. I had the Aura 4X performed by Dr. Dalla, and I love it. As a young man, athletics and sports, just a lot of damage, a lot of repairs to that damage. And at some point, you have an old antique car and you keep shining it up. Sooner or later, you're gonna have to change the engine. Instead of putting little parts on it, fixing the little parts. So my wife and I decided it's time to do that. It affected me personally, eating and doing physical things like that. But the emotional part of it was the embarrassment, the shame that it's not a good look. And I'm in front of people every day, so professionally and personally, it just got to a point where we needed to do something about it. I was really ready. What made me feel comfortable here, everybody was so engaging, and it wasn't just about my mouth. I have one of the reasons my dentistry was very poor was I have a big fear of the dentist, and I was in bad shape leading up to our first work appointment. They made me feel right at home. I didn't have any reservation about getting this process done, and the day of the surgery, it smoothed right in there. It was pretty good. I look in the mirror today, it's still shock. My confidence level, just engaging just one-on-one with the person at the post office has improved. So other relationships with my family and close friends and even my partner, my wife, I'm able to smile big, and I feel way better about that than I did before. This is well worth every minute and every penny. If I can come here and feel comfortable, anybody can.